Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another easy veg lunch South Indian style. We are going to make katrikai, that is brinjal fry and vendya korambu. Vendya korambu is a kind of gravy without any dal in it. At the same time, we are giving it a slight twist, making it an arachivutta vendya korambu, which means we are going to grind a paste and add to it. So for this, first I have taken some brinjals, washed them well and sliced them and soaked it in water and kept ready. Heat a spoon of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, some hing, next add this chopped brinjal pieces to it. Now we can add all the masalas one by one with the spices. First turmeric powder, next add in required quantity of salt. Now I am going to add this our homemade all-purpose sambar powder. Mix it all very well together. Cover it and allow it to cook till it is nearly done. So while we are waiting for the brinjal to be done, on the other side we can make this vendya korambu or the gravy to go with that. So I have taken a pan for heating. Add a spoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds. This is soaked methi seeds. I have soaked it overnight like that. We can add the methi seeds to it. Next I am adding one chopped onion and one tomato. If you don't have soaked methi seeds, you can use the dry methi seeds, no problem. And also we will add a few fresh curry leaves to this. Add some salt, a little bit of turmeric powder and also some asafoetida or hing. Allow the tomatoes and onion to get cooked a little bit. Here I have taken a small lemon size of piece of tamarind, soaked in water and extracted the juice. And apart from that, we need say 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut and 2 dry red chilies. Now I am going to grind these to a paste. Now when the tomato and onion is cooked, we will add in this tamarind extract to it and allow it to come to a boil. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the brinjal also and give it a toss. See, our brinjals are well fried now. Initially we cooked it covered on a low flame, then removed the lid and again cooked it open for just a couple of minutes. Very well fried and done. I can switch it off and take it out into my serving bowl. See, the korambu is boiling well now. We have also ground the coconut and red chilies into a paste. So the spice for this kuழம்பு comes only from these ground red chilies. Give it a good mix and allow it to come to a boil once again. Meanwhile, I have also kept some rice to go along with this, so that I'm just waiting for the cooker to be pressure to release, and this kuழம்பு also will be done. See, this kuழம்பு, வெந்தய kuழம்பு has been boiling well for 6 or 7 minutes now. You can actually know by the sound that it is done. Just as a final touch, this is some til oil or sesame oil. You can just add 1 spoon of it on top and switch it off. Our kuழம்பு is also done and ready. The pressure has released. I opened the cooker. Many of you ask me, Mama, why don't you cook directly? Why are you using these bowls? These are called as separator pans. For those who are not familiar, I am telling you. And you get different sizes. Choose the size depending on the size of your pressure cooker. So in this way, we can cook 2 things at a time. Maybe sometimes you want to cook rice and a dal if you are making a sambar or a general dal also. Or you might have people, with different family members, different food options. Some people might like to have a white rice, but others might like to have this broken wheat or lapsi, what we call. So we can cook both together at a time. They become well cooked and it is time saving also, and of course fuel saving too. Now we are ready to serve out our easy veg lunch, home style. Here you have some brinjal fry and steaming hot rice. And serve it with this வெந்தய குழம்பு. Vendayam is methi seeds in Tamil. For those who want to know in English, it is fenugreek. And for those who like to substitute white rice with this broken wheat because it has more fiber in it, then you can definitely do so, and it goes very well with this vendaya kuழம்பு too. So try out these simple home style, easy and tasty veg lunch recipe combos and tell me how you like them. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.